Architect. Yeah, you guessed it. We're about to do an exterior progress walk. Wait till you see this place. Absolutely incredible. Howell Custom Building Group out of Methuen, Mass. Absolutely crushing it on the siding. We're out here at our Riverside project, and we're about to take a little tour around the outside. So you can see here we got garage doors going in. They're just very simple slabs, very simple lines, horizontal. You can see our Boro open joint rain screen has been installed pretty much everywhere. We have a few small places where we have to finish it up. Remember, we talked about it being random width. We have about a 3/16 strong open joint here, vertical. We have random widths. We have 1x3s, 1x4s, 1x5s, 1x6s, and 1x8s. Every board has been countersunk and plugged for our attachment into the system there. You can see our soffit system. We're using the same Resista siding that we used as siding in a bunch of locations. You'll see that as we go around. But that has been finished out at the factory, so that is the finished color. This is going to get this darker battleship gray color there. As we come around, you can start to see we have a lot of these Resista panels that go up. They make up the windows. Now, I should be able to. Nope. I don't think I'm not going to be able to get that one off. To pop one of the other ones off. But you can see here we have our trim. Obviously has to get painted the same color, but the guys at Howell, they left the same reveal here. Again, we don't do any caulking here on the house. We want to make sure it is basically air open. We want the wall to have 100% ability to dry to the exterior here. So you can see here more of our Resista. You can see here, actually, we have a good example right here. So the Resista comes with its own proprietary rain screen here. Right? You can see each of it. It's a little truss frame. It gets screwed into the system, and then we have our slotted holes there. So that gets attached there. Our weep system here above our windowsill here. But you know, as we walk around, you can see our lift and slide door. If you want to take a second here, I'll give you the reason we call it the Riverside. Pretty much doesn't get much better than that, huh? When you figure you have that large door window there from the family room, and that's the view. So, absolutely incredible. What a privilege to work on this project. And you can see here, you can see all the Resista up in the soffit and such. So, the painters are on site. They're prepping the inside. We're going to get going on the outside here, right after they get that inside done. Coming down here, we're about to embark on some of the site work. Everywhere you see black here, we're going to get that finished. We've got to put a rain screen system on, and then we're going to do a thin stone veneer over the whole base of the house. We have a couple retaining walls here. As you can see, Mother Nature has challenged us with a little bit of the erosion here. So this is all going to get cleaned up nice and neat. We're going to have some stone retaining walls there. Coming across here, you can see we have all of our EAS Schuco windows in. And you can see they're all water managed. See, we have our slot down there. If any water gets into the system, it has the ability to bleed out. Walking across, there, we have our doorway to the shop there. Our shop window. View out, and above that is our kitchen window. And again, everywhere where you have these kind of panelized systems of windows, we chose to put that Resista horizontal siding in. Coming over here, we actually have the guys from Howell. They're over here working on putting in the soffits. So you can see here our window unit there. All of our random width boral here. You can see the soffits going up. Small little freeze board there. Finish it out. And then we turn the corner here. And again, here, you know, you can see this one I know pops off because I just took it off. So you can get in there and you get a really good shot at our Resista system. You know, this is a siding that is all made out of rice hull. So, you know, in my lifetime, I am never going to see this fail, pretty much. Goes in there, properly gets spaced. I have a nice little cap there. Guys at Howell, just, you know, I would say they're doing the job you expect, but in today's building world, they far exceed what I expect. Here's a good shot. You can see here we're waiting on the front door, so waiting to turn that corner, but you can see this is Benjamin Optics UV batten strip. You can see it there. That gives us that 3/8 of an inch space behind. This is their InvisiWrap product, UV InvisiWrap. So basically, sunlight going through there doesn't challenge it. As a matter of fact, you could leave this installed uncovered for up to 1 year, 365 days. It's warranted for. And by the way, the batten strips are also UV batten strips. This is a nice cross section. You can see that lap siding. So there's a bottom piece here to receive the male end there, and then it drops down and it gives you that really nice reveal there. Slotted anchors, rice hull. It's not going to rot. Coming around here, you can see we have some of the mock-up colors here. You can see here and over there, but this is pretty much going to be how we're going to finish it out with the color scheme here. Absolutely gorgeous. As we walk around here, we have some landscaping. We're going to have a nice little walkway here. It's going to be on a little raised bed. All kinds of little landscape features embedded in there, but you can see there's again a couple of our window systems with that resistor rising all the way up to the top there. You get a nice shot here of all the resistor in the soffits there. We put in a few lights here, a few lights over there, so that, you know, when guests come, helps light up that area. And then of course we have this area here where these are the numbers go. So the town requires that a fire truck from the street can read the numbers, and the street is probably about 170 feet that away. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. That's an exterior tour of the Riverside project. I'm Steve Basic, architect. Until next time, long live our buildings.